How's it going today, YouTube, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanical Life. Well, it's been well documented in the news for years now that Hyundai and Kia has had noticeable issues with their engines. Particularly these models with the 2-liter and 2.4-liter Theta 2 engine. Quite a few of these engines were destined for failure right from the assembly line. Apparently what they found is there was a problem with the machining process that caused excessive and accelerated engine wear, as well as for debris to plug up the oil galleries, which would basically starve the engine of oil flow. How do I know if my Theta 2 engine is ready to fail? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you some things you can look for and mainly listen for. So here we go. One of the first things you're going to notice is engine noise. I'm going to start this and let you listen to it, and this is a good example of a good engine. If your engine sounds like this, you're in good shape. But if your engine sounds like the one coming up, you got major problems. Another thing you can watch out for is when you're doing your oil change. Take a good look at your old oil and even dump oil out of the oil filter. If you see glitter or sparkles, or basically if the old oil looks pretty, that's a bad sign. Your oil should be just, regular, dark, used engine oil with no glitter, no sparkles, nothing like that. Another thing you can check is your variable cam timing solenoids. These solenoids have the engine oil passing through them, and they have very fine mesh screens to filter the oil. You can pull those out and take a look, and if you see any built up filings or metal shavings, that is definitely bad news. Now, to get to those, on the intake side, there's basically just this small bolt, 10mm bolt, electrical connector, and the solenoid will pull straight out. And there's also one on the back side. This next engine I show you, I'm pulling the back one. That is one where the engine has failed. You'll see how bad and how much filings have built up. Okay. Now you can see. Oh, wait a minute. That, my friends, is a whole bunch of metal debris. I think catastrophic failure is imminent with this motor. You can see the screen here. Those should be clear, allowing good oil flow to get through. It's time for a motor. With a lot of the Kias and Hyundais, there's also updates out for the knock sensor system. What that does is that picks up that excess vibration from, failed bearings and stuff like that. And it'll possibly give you early warning and prevent the catastrophic damage like this other engine has had. So if you have one of these engines, go onto the Kia or Hyundai website, and I'm sure there's places there where you can put your serial number in and see if you have any outstanding recalls. So if you keep those up to date, that's just another check in your column if you ever have a warranty issue, and it gives you one less reason to get denied. Kia and Hyundai have both basically doubled the engine warranty on these affected vehicles. So if you think you're over the mileage for warranty and you're having engine problems, you might want to take it to the dealer, because they may cover it under warranty. You just have to make sure that you have all your maintenance records and that you're doing your regular oil changes and stuff like that. If you do have problems, what they're going to do is they're going to tear the engine down, and they're going to look for sludge and varnish and any signs of, lack of maintenance, and then forward those pictures to Hyundai, Kia, to see if they approve or deny the warranty. I hope the information in this video has saved someone the cost of a new engine. These things aren't cheap. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Just want to end this video by thanking someone who left a comment in a previous video, Judy De Silva. Thanks for the comment. I appreciate it. I try to read all my comments and get back to as many as possible. Well, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button and notification bell down in the bottom right hand corner. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.